fishing in troubled waters. Many do fish in troubled waters. That is but a usual affair. Cashing on opportunities by hook or crook. The COVID-19 scenario also found people indulge in such activities. Sanitizer became an order of the day. Companies came out with varieties. The price range was so vast. Then came the mask business. Here too, people made good money. Each mask varied from rupees 10 to rupees 300. But people can't afford to live without it. The homeo preventive also were sold from rupees 30 to rupees 150. Despite IMA criticizing, Arsenic Album 30 found a very good market. The homeo pharma companies made huge money. Many sold it for 300 to 500% up from usual. Now, yet another surprising episode has been reported in Valancheri in Malappuram district. This time, it is no paraphernalia but the disease itself. Issuing fake COVID-19 negative certificates. This was needed for many Gulf-bound NRIs. For this, the ICMR had given authority to few labs across the country. Thanks to their credibility, Micro Lab in Kozhikode also got it. But someone else played spoil sport. Micro Lab authorized franchisees to collect swab samples. Arma Lab in Valancheri was one among them. Franchisee will send the sample to Micro for testing. Micro will issue certificates in their letterhead. So far so good. Arma gathered as many as 2,500 samples. But they sent only 500 to Micro. What about the rest? Don't worry, by this time Arma Lab made some fake letterheads of Micro. They hid many samples without sending it to Micro and they issued fake certificates. Beware, this is about COVID-19 negativity. The poor guys took this certificate and flew to the Gulf. But Saudi authorities were strict and they conducted tests on arrival. Many who had negative certificates were found positive. You are right, they were the fake ones of Arma. No wonder Saudi banned Micro. After all, this certificate is in the name of Micro. Arma is nowhere in the picture officially. Many who had certificates of Micro could not fly. One victim of the foul play got tested again. The health authorities said he is positive. As he got out of the virus, he filed a complaint to Valancheri police. They investigated and found the complaint is true. The lab manager was arrested and remanded. They are awaiting for the owner who is COVID-19 positive now. But he has already moved for anticipatory bail. But the scam has been busted. But in the process, thousands were denied travel. A reputed Micro also got a beating by getting banned by KSA authorities. Experts say the lack of cross-checking made this fraud possible. The details of samples collected should have been uploaded in a portal. The health department should have had control over the data. Then Arma Lab would not have had the loophole for foul play. But it has happened. Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.